Today, I'm gonna do a review on my buddy Zach's 4th Gen Camaro.
Each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Helps us break each other's hearts. It's a cold-blooded love.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. I want to start off by saying I know the audio quality probably won't be all that great in this video for the simple fact that it's super windy outside today. It's cold. We're in North Carolina. What's the temperature today, man? I don't know, it's low 40s, maybe even high 30s, and it's really windy. But anyways, today I'm going to do a review on my buddy Zach's 4th Gen Camaro. You can see here, nice pewter color. Do a quick walk around. All right, so as you can tell by the fire up, it is a Heads and Cam car. The car is producing about 400 wheel horsepower, so it's definitely a lot of fun. He does have it on the bottle, and I think on spray it makes about 550. So it's definitely a stout car. How long have you had it, Zach?
About a year.
Okay, so yeah, Zach's had it about a year. I'm gonna kind of cut out the standing out here in the cold. We'll do most of the review while we're driving around in the car. So you guys stay tuned. All right guys, so getting into the interior of the 4th Gen Camaro, this is an awesome example. Zach's taking really good care of this car. So you can see here, there's really nothing wrong with it. The only thing is the dash is cracked, but if you know anything about 4th Gen Camaros, are really late 90s, early 2000s cars in general, that's pretty much impossible to keep from happening. In fact, in a lot of these cars, you'll see people will buy dash covers to cover that stuff up, which I'm glad you didn't, because I hate dash covers.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy another one.
Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the dash covers, but anyways, you can see here we got an aftermarket head unit. And it is a 6-speed car, thank goodness. And as you can see here, we have our setup controls for the nitrous. And behind us, we have the bottle. So, all right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and fire up the 4th Gen here and take a little spin in it. I love that ignition, old school GM ignition. Reminds me of my truck in high school. I love that. All right, so like I said, the car's making around 400 wheel horsepower, just a tad over, and 550 on spray. The only thing with the bottle, as of right now, I think your bottle heater's messed up, so we're gonna get another video of it whenever he gets it fixed and get a few hits with it. But for now, it's just gonna be all motor. The car idles nice. He recently got it retuned at a SS LS6 tuning in Concord, North Carolina. That's Steven's show. I hear a lot of good things out of that shop and what he does. I think he mainly does LS cars, but
Only LS cars.
okay, he only does LS cars. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and drop the e-brake here and take off. The clutch is stage 3 clutch. All right.
It's a little heavier.
Yeah, I was gonna say the clutch is pretty heavy, but to be honest, I'm used to my car. You've drove my car. My car, the clutch is light, like almost too light. Go ahead and throw it in first here and take off. Car's got really good throttle response, I can tell. Seems to roll through the gears really easy. Yeah, throttle response is really good. You barely touch the gas in this thing and it's lighting up the RPMs. Clutch travel is really good. It's predictable, so it is a little bit heavy, but you can tell exactly where it's gonna go. Not a hard car to drive for a stage 3 clutch, I wouldn't say. What gears are in this?
342s. Stock. I went back to stock.
Stock gear.
The 410 10 bolt.
Gotcha. But it did have 410s in it. You went back to 342s for now. which will be good because if I'm not mistaken, planning on going with a boosted application. That will be better with taller gears instead of 410s. Take off here. Oh yeah, nice and smooth takeoff. You know, there's something to be said about these late model GM vehicles. You know, it's not that they're luxurious or anything like that, but they just work. You can buy something like this for, you know, not a ton of money in comparison to a lot of other performance vehicles. Throw a cam or just a little bit of motor work in it, and man, you're making a lot of power. I mean, there's fourth-gen Camaros and just late model GM vehicles in general that can take down a lot of stuff comparatively for the money. I mean,
for what they are, price range.
Right. They're really good. Alright, as far as handling on the car, that's probably the big elephant in the room, I'd say. As most of you know, I mean, the 4th-gen Camaro is definitely not made to handle. Just to be bluntly honest, I mean, right now, I mean, the way it sits right now, it sucks. I mean, you know that.
It's got a little stuff suspension-wise, but it's a lot of body roll.
Right, yeah, a lot of body roll. Now, that's not to be said that you can't, improve it. So steering response is, you know, not the greatest, but it is a 4th-gen Camaro, so really straight line cars. But like I said, they're good at what they do. I mean, how many 4th-gens do you see at the drag strip knocking down way more expensive cars? All right, we're gonna make a right turn on this road and get in a little bit. I got traction control off. It is really cold outside, so the chances of it spinning are probably fairly high. We're just gonna do like a first through third pull. Ready? Oh Lord, I'm not used to the steering on this thing, bro.
Body roll.
Definitely got some body roll.
Hopefully that'll be getting taken care of here shortly.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's nothing that you can't improve.
This summer with this car, this is going to have a lot of stuff done to it.
Yeah.
9-inch or 8/8, a lot of suspension work, maybe some motor work.
Right, yeah, you guys definitely pay attention to the build on this car. What's your, I'm gonna put Zach's Instagram handle so you can follow the build on his Instagram. I'm gonna put the link right here. So you guys make sure to go follow that. I'm sure he'd appreciate it, I'd appreciate it, and you get to watch a cool build on the 4th-gen Camaro, and it will probably, actually most definitely be back on the channel again. If anybody watching this has never had the chance to drive a cammed LS car, I would definitely advise you to do so. It's just a power plant that's different than really anything else I've driven. They're mass produced, like there's a lot of LS's, but when you throw a cam in one, especially in like a 6-speed car, it's really, you just have to drive it. It's nice. It's amazing where the power comes in these like 2,500, $3,000. I mean, it's just making power, and this car sounds nasty. Like I said, if you guys ever get the chance, drive a cammed LS car. It's just a raw. It just makes you feel cool. You feel cool driving something like this. Should have a mullet right now. I don't know, but
Definitely need a mullet.
downshifts are nice and easy. Guys, I know this was kind of a short review, nothing too crazy, but I appreciate you guys watching. Before you click off this video, hold on one second. I mean, first of all, what kind of 4th-gen Camaro review would this be if a burnout didn't happen? I mean, am I right? We should have went by Walmart and got a freaking mullet. guys, thanks for watching the video. I wanted to give Zach a shout out for letting me do a review on his car. LS Brothers, come on. But we just hit 500 subscribers on the channel, so just want to let everybody know who's been following the channel and supporting the channel. I'm thankful for you. Keep coming back. We're gonna keep doing more videos of LS cars and really everything that I can get my hands on. But again, you guys have an awesome day. Subscribe if you're new. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Take it easy.